Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily turn off Pinterest notifications on your Android device. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so let's get started without wasting a single second. So if you want to turn off Pinterest notifications on your Android device, first of all you'll have to head over to the settings of your Android, and once you're on this page, scroll down a bit until you find apps section, and then tap on it and then tap on see all apps. Now once you're on this page, you'll have to look for Pinterest, and once you have found Pinterest, or you can simply search on the top for Pinterest, and once you have done it, tap on Pinterest and then tap on notifications. And once you're on this page, you can turn off notifications manually, or you can simply turn off all Pinterest notifications by toggling the top option off like this, and it will turn all the Pinterest notifications off on your Android device, and you'll not be able to see any of Pinterest notifications without opening the Pinterest app. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. Thank you.